Ever had someone start scribbling all over your share screen during a Zoom meeting? Let's put a stop to that. Here's how to disable annotation in seconds. When you're sharing your screen in Zoom, annotation tools are automatically enabled. That means anyone can draw or mark on your screen unless you turn it off. Here's how. While you're screen sharing, move your cursor to the top and a floating zoom toolbar will appear. Click on More. It's on the right hand side of the bar. From the drop down, click Disable Annotation for others. Just like that, other participants can no longer draw or write on your screen, but still can if needed. To make this a default setting, log into Zoom.us, head to Settings, then go to the In the Meeting Basic section. Scroll to Annotation and toggle it off. That way, it's disabled in every meeting unless you turn it back on. No more doodles, distractions, or accidental markings. Just clean focused screen sharing. Like and subscribe for more quick Zoom tips.